I'm Natasha from Magellan Imports, and today we're going to introduce our 50 horsepower or HP diesel tractor. Look at this monster. Very, very, very impressive. Very excited. So first of all, we've got a 4-in-1 bucket. As you can see, there's 4 different buckets in this one, which is a front loader. So complete with, you've got obviously your bucket, your blade bucket, your grapper, and the rock bucket or a teeth bucket. So also down here, these are agricultural tyres, so they're really big and butty. At the back, we've got rear spotlights, and also this boy can be driven on the road. So there's 3-point linkage to add to the attachments, as you can see around the back. So that would, you can put, as I said, your attachments, and that's all set up for there. Plus there's a power takeoff of 540 plus 1,000 speed. It's got wet brakes, 4-wheel drive, weights on the wheels, which you can see here as well, the weights. Then we've got a diff lock, a water-cooled engine, 4-cylinder, and with the canopy. Now, I'm going to introduce my dear friend Alex to start her up. Alex, thank you.
Thank you, Natasha. That's the front loader. Grapple.
Thank you, Alex. What an expert and what a machine, eh? Anyway, guys, please let us know if there's anything that you want. As always, don't forget to visit our website on www.diggerpartswellsford.co.nz. Go Magellan Imports, and what a tractor!
Thank you, Natasha.